Welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram story without receiving any replies or direct messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to prevent people from replying to your Instagram story, giving you complete control over your content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before you begin. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Your Story at the top left of the screen. This will bring you to the section where you can view or post your Instagram stories. Step 3. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on it to open your story settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Story to access more options for managing your story features. Step 5. Under the Replying section, you'll see the option to allow or disable replies. Select Off to stop people from replying to your Instagram stories. And that's it. You've successfully turned off replies on your Instagram stories. From now on, no one will be able to send you a reply or direct message in response to your stories. It's a great way to keep your content private or avoid unwanted interactions. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips.